Women no longer respect average men due to the influence of social media. They find low-value men disgusting and prefer high-value men. This raises the question of why women are so obsessed with this personality type. Is it solely because of their status and money? Or is there something deeper at play? In this new reality, average men are often overlooked by women. Interactions with men in blue-collar jobs or working in construction are quickly forgotten, while a woman may remember an exceptional man for a lifetime, even after just one encounter. It's a harsh truth that average, hardworking men are not given the respect they deserve. The reason behind this is that social media has created a perception that every man should be in the top 15%. Women primarily see men showcasing their best lives on social media, which skews their perception of masculinity. This expectation applies to all men, and if you want to be noticed by women, you must accept it, even if it's not what you prefer. Desperation in men leads to behaving like a simp and holding back their true thoughts and feelings. However, high-value men are not desperate. You might know a rare type of man who is fiercely authentic, someone who speaks their mind without concern for how others may react. They don't care if a woman isn't interested because they know they have other options. This authenticity is the reason why they are straightforward and unfiltered in their communication. Women appreciate this honesty. When a man doesn't filter his words, it shows that he has options and can easily replace her. Women can sense if a man is not solely focused on impressing her when everyone else is being excessively sweet. This can make her uncomfortable but also intrigued and excited. Women willingly go the extra mile to excite a man who is impressed by them because they understand their own value. Witty women are attracted to men who possess a great sense of humor. This is not a hidden fact. They appreciate individuals who can strike a balance between being serious and lighthearted, without taking themselves too seriously. It's like they have a switch, knowing when to be funny and when to be sincere. However, it's important to note that not taking oneself too seriously doesn't mean behaving foolishly or making a spectacle of oneself. If you have a clever sense of humor, you have the ability to use words cleverly and find humor in various situations. This skill not only makes complex ideas more accessible and relatable, but it also showcases intelligence and broad knowledge, both of which are appealing qualities in a man. Men should refrain from copying others. Women are often seen imitating each other, which is perceived as a feminine trait. However, there is a growing trend of men imitating other men. They believe that by emulating someone else, they can achieve similar results. Both women and men can easily identify copycats. It may sound cliché, but it is crucial to develop your own unique style. While this channel represents its own identity, numerous other channels are attempting to replicate its success. Some have even tried to mimic my voice with a robotic tone and duplicate my videos. However, copying someone will always make you a lesser version of them. Copying others is a waste of time. Eventually, you will come to the realization that you cannot surpass someone by playing their game. I highly value men who are authentic in their speech, demeanor, and interactions with others. These qualities make them stand out in a world filled with imitators. High-value men are continuously striving for improvement. They understand that progress is essential, and that stagnation leads to regression. In the gym, for example, remaining at the same level for an extended period means you are losing strength. Similarly, financially, maintaining a stagnant bank balance will eventually be devalued due to inflation. In every aspect of life, there is constant movement, either upwards or downwards. High-value men grasp this concept better than anyone else. They view life as an ongoing battle. They continually set new goals and seek out new challenges. Coasting through life is not an option, at least not for those who aspire to success. If you want to achieve any form of success, you must be willing to put in the effort and fight for it every single day. High-value individuals exhibit a responsive attitude instead of a reactive one when faced with challenging circumstances. They take the time to reflect on the situation and evaluate their emotional responses. By gaining a thorough understanding of the situation, they enhance their personal allure and gain an edge over those who fail to comprehend their surroundings and the new world we live in.